Samsung's Galaxy Ultra smartphones have maintained a design over the couple of years, and it seems like they will continue with that design for at least another year. Recently leaked images of Galaxy S24 Ultra cases and concept renders provide us with a look at the device's design. The concept renders for the S24 Ultra were created through collaboration between Technizo Concept and Rotor Super. From these images, it appears that the smartphone bears a resemblance to the S23 Ultra with a titanium frame of metal. The titanium frame has a brushed metal finish, giving it a look. The buttons and top part of the S Pen have rounded shapes compared to previous models. The device features a flat screen display with curves where the glass meets the metal frame. Additionally, it's worth noting that the color of the S Pen matches that of the S24 Ultra itself. Then having a grille-like design, the loudspeaker now adopts a coin slot-like opening for improved audio output. On its rear, you'll find 4 cameras, including one with periscope-style technology for telephoto capabilities. In the meantime, leaked images have surfaced showcasing the cases of the Ultra model. These images, which were shared by Ice Universe on Weibo, display a case for a phone that's likely to come equipped with a quad lens camera. There are 6 cutouts where the cameras would be located, but based on previous models, one of these cutouts is expected to house the LED flash, while another would serve as a laser autofocus. The camera arrangement is identical to that of S23 Ultra, and even the power and volume buttons are positioned in the way on the edge. Visually speaking, if these cases turn out to be accurate, which seems plausible considering their alignment with leaked renders, it appears that there won't be changes in terms of design for upcoming lineup. Although most of the images primarily focus on Ultra model, there is also one image displaying cases for vanilla S24 and S24 Plus. Even these cases bear striking resemblance to their predecessors, featuring triple lens cameras and curved corners. For the base variants, Samsung has stuck with a design they've been using for a year. It's a bit disappointing that there haven't been any changes, especially considering they previously had a camera block. For the S24 Ultra, we might simply get spec changes, and not entirely good ones. So the complete lineup might not be overly exciting, but we should find out fairly soon, as leaks suggest these phones will land in January. So, what are your thoughts on this early design language of the upcoming S24 lineup? Share it down below in the comments section, and for more updates you can check out our channel. See you in the next one. Peace out.